We will cover the debit note and credit note voucher entries in this video. Move to accounting vouchers. See here the credit note and debit note. Before starting this voucher entry, first we have to make it activate. For that purpose, move to F11. See here, one of the option is there, use debit credit notes. Press Y to enable. Fine. You can now work in credit note and debit note. As we have already seen the purchase entry, the credit purchase under F9. Suppose in future if you return the material to the creditor, then we have to use a debit note. Just move to debit note. Control F9, you can press it. See, double underline is there. Control F9. Enter the return number. Select the creditor here, as we have purchased the material from creditors. The purchasing was 41,200 including VAT. Just enter the amount, total amount of the material which has been returned. Suppose 6,000. Through which bill you are deducting it, just select that particular bill. Enter. And which item is sent to that particular company. Here we are taking TV purchase, as we have seen the entry of TV purchase under F9. Select the tax class, purchases at 4%. Fine. Being material returned back to company due to some defect. So this entry we have to pass for material return to creditors. Except, yes, we have to save it. Press enter. Now we will see the concept of credit note. Why credit note is used? If we sell goods to someone and if we return some goods out of it for some reason, then with those return goods he sends a document in which all the information regarding the returned goods is given. From our point of view, that document is the credit note. If the voucher entries regarding such returned goods are to be done in accounting, this is called sales returns or return inward. Then such entries should be done in type credit note. So just move to credit note, Control F8. Here we have to select ABC company debtors. The actual sold amount were 45,760. Suppose 7,000 amount has been returned. Enter. Select the reference number. Enter. The item which is returned back, TV sold. The tax class 4%, as we have added 4% at the time of selling the goods. Narration, being goods returned to us due to some defect. So this was a sales return entry, except, yes, you can see the details in balance sheet, the effect of debit note and credit note. See balance sheet. Right now current liability is 35,200 now, as the amount has been deducted due to debit note entry. Just press enter creditors. Press enter once again. See here the actual amount, billing amount was 31,200, but 6,000 is a debit note. Same way, credit note entry details you will get inside current assets. Move to debtors. Press enter on debtors. See here, actual sold amount, billing amount was 45,760, but credit note is 7,000. So in this video we have covered the concept of purchase return and sales return.